Hey, what is up, you guys? It is Hallie, and today I have another video for you guys. Today's video, it is me going to Knott's Berry Farm with a friend. I didn't really film much. I was more so just trying to enjoy the day, you know, how things go. It was my first time going with this friend, so we were just trying to, like, enjoy the day. I had hella sunburn, by the way. Remember to wear sunblock.
Tough crowd. You guys are pretty dead.
Alright, that is it, guys, for this video. I really hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.